Hey friends, if you wish to see all installed programs on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, earlier we used to open the programs and features window, but a lot of users have said that it does not display each and every program, and mostly it displays third-party programs with a few Microsoft ones. But now Windows has come up with a better method, which is to right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to the Apps tab. Select installed apps, wait for the list to load. All of them have been mentioned here. Each and every program on the system is here. Now you can organize this in the order of the date installed by, or in the alphabetical order, okay, or in the order of the size as you find fit. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.